how does receiving transmission differ from self-deception? You know, like if someone very deluded says, "Oh, I received the transmission. Now I am at Manjushri. I'm the most wonderful person in the world." As opposed to genuinely receiving transmission.
There's kind of, if you are Hinayana practitioner, purpose of Hinayana, if practice proper way, there's nothing left except decision. Except why they realize there's no I, subject. So they analyze there is no I. So since there is no I, like subject, there is no object to deceive. So Hinayana way, Mahayana way, whatsoever, in purpose of practice is not to deceive. Do you understand? So whoever recognize their wisdom mind from great teacher or root guru, then self-decision is going to purify. Can. So there's nothing left self-deception, because can recognize one's own mind is. There is no dualistic mind. Since there is no dualistic mind, there is no interest or there is no intention to deceive objectively, because there is no object to deceive. So if there is no object to deceive, then there is no like deceiver who is thinking I am Manjushri. This, what do you say?
But before they have that realization, before they recognize their mind, people get crazy ideas.
There's a way not realize, there's a way crazy idea. There's a way practice. Then this crazy idea is going to reduce. And self-decision is not only like who is like thinking they are good practitioner, high level way, whatsoever. It is not only for practitioner. All samsara, meaning circling, all beings are deceivers. All they deceive themselves. This is the nature of samsara. Not only practitioner who says to you, I am Manjushri, I am Avalokiteshvara, I am Vajrapani. Not only few people. All samsara, all samsara is why called samsara, like circling, delusion, and with passions and karmas. Whoever escaped passions, increased passions, then there is karmas. So it's like turning in samsara again and again. That's called samsara. So samsara is deceiver. Not only one person. But if one person is, through practice, if they can attain nirvana or enlightenment, then their phenomena is transformed into arhat state according to Hinayana, or enlightenment according to Mahayana, or like attained wisdom deity, mandala of the wisdom deity. So there's no self-deceiver. It only depends on individuals' faith and recognition their own non-dualistic wisdom mind. So there's a transmission to transform into arhat state or enlightenment, fully enlightenment, or wisdom deity. Okay? Thank you.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Great attitude.
Thank you.